Hello everyone. So I'm gonna teach you a basic like normal video editing in Filmora. Like you can do it in easy way. Filmora is like Filmora is like advanced version. Filmora is like its basic version, but it is not basic. Like it can able to do multiple films level of editing, like multiple high level of editing also. But it has some features which is already combined in. If we wanted to do color grading in Filmora, that you have to just select some themes and you have to just select some models. Like let's open Filmora. If you didn't download it from Filmora, like I'll comment below. I'll make a video how to download. It is on free, but if you have a premier version, like if you have a pro version, you can also use. It is most valuable for you. Wait a minute. Okay, so listen, this is the normal web page of Filmora, which is your main web page. If you click on the Filmora software, then the page which open is that. You can find some videos of different type of editing videos also. Let's leave that things. Just click the which type of video you want to create. Like if it has some many AI features included in the premium version of the Filmora, not in the basic version, but there is a already limitation in that. So just we have select a video in 16:9 and click on a new project. So it opens a window for you where you can, I'll show you, just wait. So this is a home page of Filmora. If you have multiple screen, you can change the outlet as according to you. Just click on that, the setting which you want. Wait a minute. Okay, so if we have to change our dashboard, we can select there, and there is a multiple option. Which I'm using is dual option. Like you can select any tab and just grab for another like window or like another monitor. It help to like edit your video in most comfortable way. So this is the a basic intro of the Filmora. Now, if you saw it has many layouts. If we come here, there is a folder is project media, global media, and there's many more. And also there are timeline and sources. Okay, and it is a timeline window. Like if we saw that part, it is called the timeline window. So first, if you have to like import the video or the files of raw files, it comes with then two or three type of folders. Like if we saw the project media, if if you directly select the project which is related to our project media, let's see. I have downloaded some raw footages just to explain all these things. So yeah, if I select all these and bring it here, it comes in our dashboard. But if we go to global media and if we select some like any footage or any like any content, so it comes in all the project. This project media is, it came in the only project which we were making. But the global media, if you make any type of video on the Filmora on this system, then it comes in all the folders on the projects that help to grab easily. Like if I have some intro video or if I have some background music which is used in all the like all the videos, or if we use all in all the edits, then we can easily select that. Now for this type of video, it already came in our dashboard. What we have to do, just grab the video like and bring it here on the timeline and leave it. It asks that match to media or just keep project setting. So I'll be with the project setting which I'm already selected. If we saw that in that file settings, there is also we got an option, the project setting. If we have to change the layouts or if we have to change the type of screens or like what type of editing which we have to do. And also the frame rate FPS, which like my PC specs is a low bit, like medium range. So I already selected a 30 FPS, and there is a 1920, and there is a multiple options to select the edit of the videos, like in which type of you want to edit. I'll go with the default setting, which is 16:9. Now there is a video timeline and there is an audio timeline. As much as we want the video or audio timeline, we can add in our dashboard. Like if you have to add this video here, you can just bring there, and for the that part you can select or cut. Now if we have like bring our like if we grab a second video and there is a space, you don't want to remove manually, so just click on that option, that is magnetic timeline, and whenever you cut that part, like if you go through, this is the timeline bar which wherever we can select and move it goes. And the video which I want to cut from there, like these are the flowers. Okay, so if I want that there is a cut in it, so just click on that and videos got divided in that in parts. Okay, so if we grab there and if we leave there, there is a vacant space. So the magnetic feature is help to cover all the spaces in the cover all the spaces in the timeline which are vacant, like there is no work there. Okay, so just I'll be okay. So there is a undo and redo button if you have to do the things which you want. Like if you don't like the edit, then you can undo the theme. So if I go with the classic, so I'll using the classic for teaching you, and that's our videos and that's our timeline. So what I'm telling you, just if you have to add some more videos, like so click on that and add the video track. So it comes with another video track. And if I want that that video is a short video is it's so before that video, so I'll bring that from normal timeline to the another timeline which is above that timeline. Okay, so just grab there, and if I play the video, like if I select there, leave there, okay, and if I play video, and if you want after that things, that part of the video comes at the front. So okay, so I'll cut there and bring that for it. Okay, so if I bring there, then I play the video, then the upper part of video which is above the above the lower timeline, like the video 2, the second track of the video is above the video 1, so the video 2 is prioritized in the part of the output. So if you have to show something like another on the another part of the video, we will just bring about that. Okay, and we can also resize, like click on that video and resize accordingly as according to need. Just resize the video. Okay, so these are the normal cuts and edit of the video, which is like crops. And now we can so go to another topic, like if I saw the like stickers, and that's the most easy part. And also if I go to the audio part, then wait a minute, there is audio part, and I want to in that video there is the music. Okay, so I want to extract that part of the audio. If I have to edit, or just I have to do not need the video, just click on the video, and if we saw the hand movement, just grab and down, so it totally decrease the audio sound of that part of the video. Okay, so now we want to extract the video, so just click on the right click and extract that part of the video. Okay, and also you can export the selected part of the clip, like if I select that one, and let's do a multiple cut here. Okay, so if I do multiple cut and I want that part, and that part will be exported as another video. So what I do, just click on that and press control and click on that, so both clips are selected, and just right click and export that part of the clip. So I have to select the folder, and okay, there is a multiple option which you want to change at the later in the export part of the video, and just delete some, like edit first, which I want to put the name of the video. Okay, and these are the two clips. Okay, so I did all the recording of the video, and later I realized that I have not started the recording. I forget everything. So what I thought that at the last video, like we have to export each. If you have to export the each clip of the video, like if you want the each clips exported as an individual video, or you want to make some 4 to 5 videos, and you want to like export all of them in the individual video, so you can do that by exporting all the clips by selecting all of the clips. Okay, so if you go through that part of the video, you can sort that there is a plus minus and there is a slider. So if we increase the slider, it extended the size of the timeline. Okay, so it makes the easy to do the multiple things. So if you want to, like, if initially we have initially I told you that if you have to export that part of the audio, just click on the selected part, select the part, any part. If you want to export the video, just select and click the right click. If there is an option of Control Alt plus D, just click on that. You can also do with the shortcut with Control Alt plus D. Okay, so if you select that part, it got excluded. Okay, like it extracted. Okay, so if I want to add some music, like let's assume that it's a voice of yours, and any sound if you want to prioritize. Okay, just like in video. So if I want to prioritize that part of the video over that part, I just grab that part of the video and put it on the another video. So the video which is above the another video, like another that part of the that track of the video is above on the another track. So the upper part of the video track view is prioritized. Okay, prioritized. And the same like audio, if I want to add some background music, let's suppose I have background music in my global folder, which I already I selected, and just grab and just leave there. Okay, so if we go, if you look at that part of the audio, there is a no bars, like it is also a silent part of the video. So just move your mouse there and make it trim. You can also do with the bar also. Just click on that part of the video, bring that here, or just click on here, so it came there. Okay, and just click on. So it got divided into two parts. Just click that part of the video which you want to delete, select and delete with the delete button. Now if I told you, just look at that part of the video, which if you have some extra video, just click and delete at the same way. Now if I want that part of the audio is having more sound. Okay, and that part of video is low sound. Okay, so just click that part of the video and grab the audio decibel as according to your needs, or you can just click there and grab a window. There is an option called adjust audio. Okay, so just go through that, and you can do multiple things on that part of the audio, same as before that audio which you want to edit. Now there is a option of keyframing. If you have listened the keyframing option, just we were going to use that part of the keyframing feature in the Filmora, which makes the any part of the video to edit, and it also feels like the motions. If you control the any motions of the any part of image stickers and any another video, it makes it too easy for that. And that's the icon in Filmora. That's the keyframing icon. So if I want a sticker which goes from left to right, also increasing their size, just click on that part of Filmora, which is stickers. There is multiple sticker which is comes to along with the Filmora. Just we have to download it. So there is a downloaded option of subscribe. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do that. So just click on that part or just grab there. So it is the sticker comes in, and I want three like I want the motion in from the left to right along with increasing the size. So just we need a three or four some keyframing. So just click on the initial part, make and then bigger, so it's easy to do the things, and add a keyframe. Okay, so in that part of the like in the starting part, I want my subscribe button which is in which be in right side, and at the middle part I want my keyframing button, like add a keyframe, and I want my sticker at the middle, and also it increases their size. And at the end, I want my sticker got smaller, and okay, so it is at the outside. Just grab some and okay. So I want that my stickers from that area just got smaller and be at right side. Just grab and drag and drop here. Okay. So what we have created that our sticker start from that part and goes to like it goes from left to right with increasing their size, because we have increases the size at the middle. So leave that. Leave that drag here. Drag. So let's play the video. Okay, so there is a mistake in the starting part of the video in the keyframing. If you want to edit the keyframing in more detail, so we can also bring that. Okay, so it got at the bottom part, and I don't realize that things now. And now it mistaken, and so the motion of the sticker is start from left to right, increasing their size. Okay, so that is the keyframing that I show you on the sticker. Let's I explain you at with the image also. So if I go through the folder and grab some image, let's bring that. So there is a logo of my college Benz. and I want a video track which is above at the stickers, and also I just added a video track and grab and drop from here. Okay, and I want that my logo goes from like I want that my logo goes from that part of the video to cover all the four part, and it also makes a in that part of the frame. So just make a small, which I want, like my logo from there. Just we are not seeing the perfection, just I want to explain the concept with you, and add a keyframe at the starting part. And there is also option you can edit multiple things in the keyframe, which you can do it. The video editing things is I can't explain all the things to you, and you get a proper knowledge. You have to do all the things with your own. And if I want that in that part of the video, the icon goes from bottom left to upper left. Okay, so add a keyframe and make it from bottom to upper. Okay, and I want in that part of the video the keyframe goes like add a keyframe so that we can move our logo from there to there. Also, I want if you want to a small make a small logo like from the right side. Oh, so there is a mistake, and if I select that part of the logo and click and bring there at the right part of the upper side of the video, and just bring another keyframe at the last, and that logo I want to go from there. Okay, so what we have planned now, I make the all the logo from small. So if I go and let's make that a small also. So the logo make a circular loop along with making it a small size. Now play the video. Okay, that makes okay. So that okay. So that logo makes a makes a motion from the left to right along with covering all the four the vertex. And if you want to do with any logo, any stickers, with any video, just using the keyframe we can make animations like the editing. What we have learned that cuts and edits keyframing, that's the main thing which in every video which we have to do, that makes easy to edit. And later part we have discussed all the perspective of the Filmora video editing in more details. For now, thank you for watching.